This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
As usual, you can download it from the Play Store, but if it's not working for you, then try this. Open your favorite web browser, and go to this website called apkpure.com. You can check out the video description for the direct link. Once you are here, you will see the search bar. Just type in the name of the game in the search field. In our case, we will search my friend Pedro, and then we will click the search button. On the next page, you will see the search result, and as you can see, we've got our game that we want to download at the first listing. So we will click on it. On this page, scroll down a bit, you will see the Download APK button to download the latest version of the game. You can also download the previous version from the versions option, but we will download the latest one. Now, download the APK file to your desired file location at the pop-up. And then wait for it to get completed. If the download doesn't get started, click this link. Now, from your phone's file manager, simply install the APK file, and then open it. That's it. Enjoy your game. So, this is all in this video. We hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.